How to install BONOSS wheel spacers.
BONOSS manufacturer-produced wheel spacers are made of high-grade forged 7075T6 aluminum alloy, which features many desirable properties: high strength, wheel resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. Slide the jack under the vehicle and raise the vehicle slowly. Using rust remover, wipe with the sandpaper so that wheel spacer can fit the hub better. Finally, tighten the extended wheel bolts of the original car with appropriate torque.
For more information, please see the link down on the description. See you next time. Bye bye.